decided to get dared to stand and make the sign honk if you feel sorry, if you don't know what to say, and if you think we're sexy. And we're in crazy outfits. Yes, and here's mine. Oh yeah, look at that sexy outfit. Turn around, just spin. Oh yeah, we're all sexy. And now cars are driving by, and we are gonna see what they think. So hold on, Taylor.
You first.
This is kind of bad.
Oh my god. If I would have known that was... I'm gonna go get some sodas, okay?
No. Taylor, you're not leaving.
Yes, I am. There's another car coming. Get back out there.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh, hello. This is what I get there to do.
Yeah, that's kind of sad.
Yeah, do it. Come on.
If you feel sorry, home twice if you feel you don't know what to say. 3 times if you feel sexy.
Alright, peace out.
Hey, can you bring us some soda?
No.
Fuck.
Jeff, that almost hit you.
Yeah.